Alright guys, so when we're logging into Cami, we're going to come to Cami. We're going to go to sign in. And it'll take you automatically to your Cami account if you already have the free account. If not, you're just going to have to log in following the steps through your Google Aspire account. When you get to your dashboard, you're going to go to the top right corner. You're going to click your initials. This little box is going to pop out. You want to enter license coupon, and you're going to enter the numbers 3361 3817 6973. You do not need the dashes, but you could put them. Either way works. You hit apply, and it will let you know that you are added to the license. I'm already part of the license, so this is why I get this message. You're just going to get a message that says that you are part of the license. And that's it.